Hello guys, in today's videos we will learn about IMAP protocol and in previous videos we go through with the SMTP which is used for sending emails, right? So today we will learn about IMAP which is used for reading emails, right? And the full form of IMAP is Internet Massive Access Protocol. So let's deep dive into it. So let me open my docs for you guys. So here we have IMAP. So IMAP is the Internet Massive Access Protocol, is an email retrieval protocol. Like I said, it is used to read the emails that allows an email client. What is an email client? Like we have Outlook, we have Thunderbird, we have Apple Mail, we have whatever app we are using for emails. Like most of the people are using Gmail, right? So like that. These are used to access and manage emails directly on the mail server without downloading them permanently to the local device. What's the mean of that? It means like IMAP is the protocol which we are using to read the emails from the server. You have server, you read the emails from there, and your local device, your local PC, your mobile is not downloading them videos, like all the videos and all the details, all the mails, everything whatever it is, it's on the server itself. Okay, so it is good for the backup also. So that is the whole idea of IMAP. So let's understand how IMAP actually works. Like when a user opens an email client, like I said, email client means Outlook, Thunderbird you can say, or Apple Mail you can say. Okay, so here email client, your Gmail or Thunderbird connects to the mail server using IMAP. Using IMAP protocol, it will connect to that. Then the client, email client, displays the emails that are stored on the server. So whatever emails are stored on the server, it will be displayed to the email client. So when the user reads, deletes, moves, or flags an email, those changes are synchronized with the server. So whatever, let's say you open your Apple client or Outlook, okay, there you have read any mail or delete any mail, or you have flag an email. So those all the changes are synchronized with the server. Why they are synchronized? I will tell you guys, there is a one major benefit of synchronization. That is why we are using IMAP. The major use case of IMAP is it's synchronized with the servers. That is a advantage we do have in IMAP. So any other device connected to the same mailbox sees the same changes. Okay, let's suppose example, your Gmail account is configured with IMAP, right? You read an email on your mobile phone and later you open Outlook on your laptop. Okay, so the same email is already marked as read because IMAP synchronized with the mailbox with the server. This is the beauty of IMAP. Okay, because you guys have seen, right? Whenever you read any mails from your phone, that mail itself is already marked as read in your mobile phone also, right? So it maintains the synchronization with the server. So that's a big advantage. Let's suppose if it is not synchronized the server, then what will happen? When you open laptop or your PC, you see okay, this is a new mail, but that mail is not new because you already have gone through with that email in your mobile phones. If synchronization is not there, but in if IMAP provides a synchronization, with that synchronization, once you have done any changes with that email, that changes will be synchronized with the server. So that is the beauty of IMAP. So what are the features IMAP provides? Email remains on the mail server. That is the one beauty. You don't need to download it on local device. It supports devices simultaneously, multiple devices. Like I said, you can it can synchronize devices with a PC also, laptop also, and your desktop, all the other devices also. It synchronizes folders also, like if you send any emails or you receive any emails, like inbox you have, sent you have, drafts you have, trash you have. So whatever changes, guys, whatever changes you will make, that will be synchronized on the server itself. Like So it synchronizes the read and unread status, also supports server side searching, also supports creating and managing folders. You can create and manage them folders also. So that's the features. What the features IMAP provides you guys. So we now let's understand about the ports. What the ports IMAP use. So IMAP basically uses two ports. Like in SMTP we saw that it uses four ports. Here in IMAP it uses two ports. First one is a 143, second one is 993. So first one for the 143, it's a protocol IMAP. Here when do we use IMAP 143? When like internal networks or when using STARTTLS to upgrade to an encrypted connection. Initially what happened is if you are go through with 143, your communication is not encrypted, but later you need, okay, I need to encrypt our communication. In that scenario you start with the STARTTLS, right? So in those scenarios we will go through with the 143, but we are using 993 port, that is considered as a IMAP as it stands for the secure access over the internet, and encryption start immediately. This is the recommended port. So why I am saying it is a recommended port? Because in the first message itself, what will happen is encryption starts immediately. In a STARTTLS case, in a IMAP case, port number 143, what happens is your initial communication will not be encrypted. So when you feel that, okay, now onwards I need to start encrypted communication, then you are upgrading yourselves with the STARTTLS commands. But in case of 993, what happened is in a first message itself, you think, okay, I need to start the communication, I need to start our connection in an encrypted manner. Secure email access with IMAPS. Okay, so these are the real use case of IMAP ports. So let's understand some packet flow. Like email client, you have your Thunderbird and Outlook. So IMAP login, you will log in with port number for the internet. Okay, guys. 993 for the secure connection. 143 unencrypted, unsecure connection will be there. You connected with your mail server, retrieve all the mails from the mail servers, right? And now email client shows mails to the user and user reads an email. Okay, from the mails, if the user reads an mail, what mail server does, mail server mark that particular mail as read. So all other connected devices see the same read status. So that is how IMAP works. Okay, guys. So let's understand some sample commands. IMAP commands, like we have login command, using select command, fetch command, store command, and logout commands. So login, like I login as a Ironman as at example.com. This is my email and my password, of course. And then select inbox. We in email we have inbox, sent, spam folder. So I am selecting inbox. Fetch one body, whatever inside that body, whatever the content it has, it shows me. And store one plus flag seen. It means like mark that body, particular body as seen, and then log out. So now understand what is the mean of login. Login, as you guys know, login is used for authenticate the user. To to select a particular mailbox. Like here I select the inbox. Okay, you can select spam also, you can select other mailbox also. Fetch is used for the retrieving email content. Stores, here update flags such as seen or deleted. Here I have marked as seen, and then log out, close the IMAP session. This is how IMAP works, guys. Okay, so in this video we understand about IMAP. Why do we use IMAP? IMAP is used for reading emails without downloading it in your local device. And the beauty of IMAP is like it synchronizes the servers, and it uses the two ports. Like I told you, it uses 143 and 993. 143 it uses for the unencrypted communication and unencrypted connection, and 993 is uses for secure connections. And from the first message itself it starts the TLS handshake. Okay, so in upcoming videos I will tell you guys about POP3 Okay, so thank you for watching, guys.